aspirants, welcome to Ria's classes. This is a short video series of class 10th chemistry. Today we will study the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equation. This is the chapter 1 of this subject. So let us begin.
Hello students, today we are going to study about chemical reactions and equations. So let us consider the following situation of our daily life and think what happens. The first is what happens to the milk when you are keeping it outside for some time in the room temperature. All of us know that especially during the summer months the milk get spoiled. So some changes taken place. Same way, if you are keeping the iron nail in the outside, when it is kept exposed in the humid atmosphere, a brown flaky substance known as rust is formed on the surface of the iron article. Here also certain changes has taken place. In the same way, what happens to the fruit juice or the grape juice when it is keeping it outside? It get fermented. What happened to the food while we are cooking it? We cook the food. For what purpose? When you cook the food become soft, it become easily digestible, and also the taste changes. Here also we can see certain changes taking place while we are cooking the food. Then what happened to the food? When we are eating it, after eating, it get digested in our stomach as well as in the small intestine, the complete digestion taking place. And during digestion, what happened to the food? The complex food materials are converted into simpler water soluble form. Again, certain changes taking place. Next, what happened during respiration? During respiration, the oxygen that we are breathing in combines with the food, digested food, and energy is released. So in all the above situation, we can see that the nature and identity of the initial substance have somewhat changed. So in your earlier classes, you have studied about the physical and chemical changes. And what is the main difference between a physical and a chemical change? In chemical change, new substance is formed. So we can see that the substance that are taking part in a chemical reaction are known as reactants. And as a result of the chemical reaction, we are getting the product. Sometimes single product, otherwise more than one product, then we will write products. And you can see that in between the reactants and a product, there is an arrow mark is there. The head of the arrow mark shows the direction in which the chemical reaction is taking place. So let us see what happens when we are burning the magnesium ribbon. All of you might have seen magnesium ribbon in the chemistry laboratory. You can see that there is a, before we burn it, we have to rub it with a sandpaper. Why? So we are rubbing the magnesium ribbon with a sandpaper to remove the protective layer of basic magnesium carbonate. What is this basic magnesium carbonate? It's a mixture of magnesium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide formed by the slow action of moist air on it. So we have to remove that layer so that magnesium will easily, readily combine with oxygen. Now here you can see that when we are removing that layer, then we are burning it, magnesium will combine with oxygen and we are getting the magnesium oxide. So in the reactant side, on the left hand side, you can see that two reactants are there. Whereas on the right hand side, we are getting only one product, that is the magnesium oxide. Now, what are the observation we can see when you are burning the magnesium ribbon? The first observation is that magnesium burns with a dazzling white flame. And the second observation, a white powder of magnesium oxide is formed. So these are two observations. Which are they? Magnesium burns with a dazzling white flame, and another one, a white powder of magnesium oxide is formed.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you.